Emma, start.
Hi guys, Devansh is going to do the vlog, so handing over the phone to him. Over to you, Devansh.
So guys, this is a rain day and we are going to further place and we are full tired. Okay, so I will see the rain is here. I will show you in the front. See guys, this water is the fully